Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. In today's video, I am going to do a little study of a convenience store, a very empty, very basic convenience store with like 2 fridges. I found a reference on my Pinterest and you can check it out. I have like a few background references there and game references, so I decided to just study some backgrounds. When it comes to doing backgrounds, I'm very confident in doing the line art. I'm gaining confidence in doing perspective and all of that. But when it comes to rendering, I kind of suck. I'm only figuring out how to render skin. I am basically trying to render clothes as best as I can. So material studies and all those studies that I do help me with rendering clothes. But my biggest struggle is rendering backgrounds. I've been sort of reading some books on that, and I'm going to try and apply what I learned in those books in my art pieces as well. So I'm just going to take my time. I'm not going to rush myself to like finish an art piece or something like that. So yeah, today I decided to do a study of a background, and yeah, it wasn't that bad. Like I said, I'm going to probably struggle when it comes to rendering the backgrounds and all of that, but I'll take my time. But thank you so much everybody for watching. Thank you for people who are subscribing, to my new subscribers. Hi, I'm Ao. I'm doing a 365-day challenge where I'm drawing basically anything, people, objects. It doesn't matter, studying and all of that. So feel free to join me, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great day everybody. Bye bye.